Hello everyone, welcome to studygan.com. In this video, we will be learning how to install Ubuntu in a VirtualBox on Windows. Since we're installing Ubuntu in a VirtualBox, you must have enabled hardware virtualization on your PC. Let's go to the task manager and here go to the performance, and now you can see virtualization enabled. Now by default, this feature is enabled and allows you to run and test any operating system in a virtual environment. If it's not enabled, you need to check the BIOS setting and turn on hardware virtualization. Once it's enabled, you can verify the status using the Windows Task Manager. It's time to start installing Ubuntu in a VirtualBox. So let's go to the browser. So let's download the VirtualBox. Let's search VirtualBox. And here is the official website from the Oracle. Go to this kind of interface you can see. Go to the download, and here is the Windows, Mac, Linux, Solaris, and I have the Windows. Let's click on it. Now this is the location. Let's save it. Now let's download the Ubuntu file. Let's go to the Google and search Ubuntu. Here is the official website. Now go to the Get Ubuntu, and here is the download LTS version. Let's click on it and downloading start automatically. This is the Ubuntu ISO file, disk image file. Let's save it. Here is the file 4.7 GB. I have already downloaded, so I have to cancel it. Now let's open the VirtualBox. Click to open it. It's preparing to install. Here, welcome to Oracle setup. Just click on the next. Here is the custom setup. Select the way you want features to be installed. Let it be default, and here is the location for the VirtualBox. Let's click on the next. Here is the network interfaces. Proceed with installation now. Let's yes. Proceed with installation now. Let yes. Click install to begin installations. Install. Here, wait for a while. Here, click to finish the button. Start Oracle. Let's finish it. So here is the interface of VirtualBox. Welcome to VirtualBox. So we're installing Ubuntu on a VirtualBox. Let's click on the new, and here name it virtual machine name and operating system. Let's name Ubuntu, and this is the folder where VirtualBox all files are stored. Here is the Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. This is the Ubuntu, and let's go to next. Here, allocate the hardware and processors. Let's move it and make sure it within the green, and processors, let's click here too and make sure it within the green. Let's click on the next. Virtual hard disk, you can allocate the hard disk, so keep it remain same, and let's click on the next. Here is the summary for using Ubuntu. Now name, machine folder, guest OS type Ubuntu, and this is the hardware and disk. So let's click to the finish. So here is the overall summary for the Ubuntu. Let's go to the settings, and now it is the journal. Let's click on the advanced. Here is a shared clipboard. Make it bidirectional. Also for the drag and drop, bidirectional. Same. Let's go to the system. Here are the base memory, processors, and accelerations. Keep it remain same. Let's go to the display. Here is the video memory for the Ubuntu. Let's click to higher it. Let's drag it to the higher, and here is the graphics controller, VMS VGA. I am enabling the 3D acceleration for the better graphics. Let's click on the storage, and now go to select the empty, and here is the disk icon. Now press it, and here choose a disk file. Now select the Ubuntu ISO file which we download previous. Let's select it and open it here. Now remains audio remains same, network here is the NAT adapter, keep it remains same, and now I'm going to OK, and here's all created. Let's installing the Ubuntu. Let's go to the start. You can select only the up and down keys and press enter. So go to the try and install Ubuntu and press enter on it. Select the language, like click on the English. Here is the keyboard layout which use, let it be default. Click on the continue. Here updates and the other software. What apps would you like to install to start with? Normal installations, let it be default, and download updates while installing Ubuntu, let it be default. Let's press to the continue. Here installation type this, so let it be default and install now. Write the changes to disk. If you continue, the changes listed below will be returned to the disk, otherwise you will be able to make further changes manually. Let it be default. Let's go to the continue. Where are you? This is the where are you. Select the location, any in India, like select anything, and let's go to the continue. Who are you? Your name, like Anil. What's Anil Virtualbox. Pick a username and choose a password. Confirm your password. Login automatically. Yes, click to this and use. Let it be default right now. Let's click on the continue. Here installation is complete. Installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use this. Let's click on the restart. So here is the all Ubuntu setup, and this is the interface. Now let's set power off it. Let's press here. Now power off and click to it. Power off. So this is for the video, and if you want to restart the Ubuntu, let's click to the start and then use the Ubuntu. Now this is all for the video. Thanks for the watching.